Hey guys, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. Today is another Sip Spy video. If you're not familiar with Sip Spy is a monthly tea subscription box. It's $15 per month with free shipping in the United States. Sip Spy works with over 150 global tea brands. The teas I get are always new and different, and I love trying out new teas. So I love that they send me this box to show you guys, and I'm excited to show you my October tea box. Before my subscription was started, I filled out a very in-depth quiz to let Sip Spy know what types of teas I like, and that way they can customize the box to my tea tastes. The first tea I see in my box is a chai spice tea from Ahmad Tea. That is my high caffeine tea, and that is a black tea with ginger, cinnamon, and clove. The next tea I see is the Luscious Lemon Tea by Goblin. That is a rooibos tea with sweet blackberry leaves, almond bits, marigold petals, and lemongrass flavoring. That is my caffeine-free tea, and I absolutely love anything lemon, so I should enjoy that. Next is a Hibiscus Moringa Tea from Miracle Tree Company, and that is my caffeine-free tea. That contains organic moringa leaves and also organic hibiscus petals. And finally, I have an English breakfast tea from Stash Tea, and that contains caffeine, and that is just a blended black tea. So let's open the box and take a look and see what everything looks like inside. Okay, the first thing I see in the box is the Miracle Tree Tea, and this is my Hibiscus Moringa Tea. And this is organic, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. Next up, I see the Stash Tea, and this is my English breakfast tea. This contains caffeine. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. This is the Chai Spice Tea by Ahmad Tea. This is a very strong black tea. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. I have a packet of Sip Spy's reusable muslin cloth tea bags. These are great, especially if you give the box as a gift and you're not sure whether or not the person has anything to steep the tea in. These are just nice to have around. And then finally, the last tea in my box. Isn't this the most adorable packaging you've ever seen for a tea? This is from a company called Goblin, and this is my Luscious Lemon Tea. I am so excited. I cannot wait to crack this one open. But you know what? I don't think I'm going to crack this open in this video because this is caffeine free and I'm filming this in the morning and I want something that has a little bit more of a kick. So I think today I'm going to start off with the Chai Spice Tea from Ahmad Tea. So let's get started. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed seeing my October Sip Spy tea unboxing. This is my personalized tea box from Sip Spy. I'm very grateful that they send me these boxes so I can show them on my YouTube channel. I love them because they introduce me to so many new teas, and also they give me a variety. I will leave all the information for the Sip Spy tea box down below this video in my description box. Take care guys, talk to you soon. Bye bye from Marla.